is after the Supreme Court said that they were holding the implementation or staying the implementation of the farm laws. Is it time for the farmers to take a step back and perhaps give this committee appointed by the court time to try and work out a negotiated solution?
I don't think that's the big question at all, Rajdeep. I think you'll go, firstly, what has the court actually done? It has set up something, and I'm quoting from the reports of their judgment, a committee for the purpose of listening to the grievances of farmers relating to the farm laws and the views of the government, and then making recommendations. It also says that the representatives of the farmers' bodies, whether holding a protest or not, whether they support or oppose the laws, shall participate in the deliberations of the committee. Now, first question, what will this committee mediate? Between who and who will they mediate? The farmers do not recognize their credentials and dismiss their credibility. Mediation, Rajdeep, demands mediators who are acceptable, particularly to the aggrieved party, not just to the government. Tomorrow, will these members even be able to go to a Singhu or a Tikri and talk to those they're supposed to mediate with? You know as well as I do what happens next. They will find some farmers union.
One minute. Who will decide then that these members of the committee are credible enough for them to be seen as mediators? Will the farmer unions alone dictate to the Supreme Court or the government of India who the negotiators can be?
Rajdeep, the point I'm saying, you are turning the thing upside down. The basic decent norm of mediation is that the mediators have to be acceptable to all parties, particularly to the aggrieved party. That has answered your question. If they are not acceptable, who will you mediate with? And also I'm saying, you know very well what happens next. They will find some farmers' union representatives with as little credibility as themselves and attempt an aha moment in the media. And there will be powerful sections of the media quite happy with that. After all, the biggest and richest media owner in this country is also the principal beneficiary of these laws. And many outlets that he does not own, he is likely the biggest advertiser. I am questioning the entire idea of this committee. I am still waiting for the court to rule on the constitutionality of these laws, which is the job of the Supreme Court. And also see that legislation is looked at by Parliament. So I think that, you know, you're looking ahead to something on the 26th.
No, I am looking for an end to the deadlock. This has gone on for 50 days. I am looking for ways out to end the deadlock. The farmers have said they want a repeal of the laws. The government is saying we are willing to consider amendments but not a repeal of the laws. So I am asking, is there a possibility, given these two positions taken, for a solution? Now the Supreme Court is suggesting a committee of 4 people that they have nominated as one potential solution. You are saying that is unacceptable because the mediators are unacceptable. I am asking then, provide me an alternate solution.
I am saying the farmers find them unacceptable. And for very good reasons. These are people who have publicly committed themselves to backing the government's laws. So it's not surprising that they are found unacceptable. The solution, Rajdeep, is for a government to undo the damage it has done to the Constitution by passing laws which were on the state list. Absolutely, these laws are unconstitutional. It is in the hands of the government to step back from the damage it did in Parliament by forcing through laws, first declaring them, issuing them as ordinances on June 5, then bringing them as bills in September, ramming them through, throwing out 8 members of Parliament. In order to be able to do that, every single thing wrong has come here. It has come from the government of India. You know, and it is in the ball is in the government's court.
You're saying the ball is in. You're saying
run on the ego of one man.